Hi everyone, welcome to How to ABA. Today we are going to show you how we run a sequencing cards program. This is a very common program. It's great for building language, for building concepts like first, next, last. The prerequisite skill for this would be a student who's able to describe a picture using at least a noun and a verb, so saying something like kicking ball, or even being able to say boy kicking ball. We don't care so much about the articles as long as you have some nouns and verbs in the right places. And it doesn't have to be verbal. They could be answering ththese questions using an AAC or using pictures. So here we go. So the first thing we would do is have the student sequence numbers. So we might give them some numbers with a template that says first, next, and last, and we put that out, and we would give them 3 numbers and just say something like put it in order, and they then put it in the right places using the template. So 3, 4, 5, and they're able to do that. Then we might have them sequence letters. So we'd give them these letters and say put it in order, and then they put it into the right places. So F, G, and H. Great. So once they can do that, and it doesn't have to be numbers that are in the same order. So you can give them B, Q, and W and see if they can put them in order. The idea is to see if they can seriate and sequence items and understand that there is an order. So then once they can do it with numbers and letters, we would keep the template and introduce 3 sets of sequencing cards. So this set is about making an ice cream sundae, this set is about eating a banana, and this set is about making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. If your student needs it broken down even more, you can start with 2 cards. These have 3. They go up to 4, 5, 6, and who knows how many. But we're going to start with 3 here, assuming that the student is able to handle this one. And keeping the template out, we are going to present the cards one set at a time and say, put it in order. And they're going to put the pictures in order from first, next, last. And now we're going to have them talk about the picture. So we're going to say, tell me about how you make you eat ice cream. So they would be able to describe the picture and say, first you get the materials, the bowl and the spoon, then you scoop the ice cream, then you eat the ice cream. If this is really hard for them and they're not able to say it, we might write it out, give them a text prompt, and then fade that text prompt. We also don't really care about articles as much, so if they're able to say, get spoon and bowl, and then they're able to say scoop ice cream, then they're able to say eat ice cream, that would be sufficient. So then we would do that with all 3 sets and have them talk about them as well as put them in order. So how do you eat a banana? First you peel it, then you eat it, then you throw the peel in the garbage. And we're keeping the template here through the first set, and then we'd go through the third one. Then once they can master this first set of 3 cards, we'd introduce a second set of 3 cards with different pictures and have them again put it in order using the template and then talk about the pictures using words like first, next, last. So how do you get ready for the rain? First you put on your coat, then you put on your boots, and then you get your umbrella, whatever it is. And once they can go through 6 sets of cards, then we would do a random rotation step of all 6 sets and then try to remove the template, and then proceeding through as many sets of cards as you have. Once they could do 3 picture cards, and then you can move on to 4 picture cards, always remembering to keep it at a language appropriate level. Thanks.